Welcome to Dubai, one of the most vibrant and modern cities in the world. From the skies above, we're going to take you on a journey to explore its stunning architecture, world-renowned landmarks, and endless entertainment options. As our drone takes off, we're greeted with the stunning skyline of Dubai, home to some of the tallest buildings in the world. The iconic Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world, towers over the city at an impressive 828 meters. As we fly over the city, we see the man-made island of Palm Jumeirah, shaped like a palm tree and home to luxurious resorts and private villas. We also pass by the man-made island of the world, a collection of artificial islands that form a map of the world. Next, we fly over the Dubai Creek, the historic heart of the city, where traditional abras, or boats, still ply the waters and traditional souks, or markets, line the banks. The creek is also home to the Dubai Museum and the historic Al Fahidi Fort. As we continue our journey, we pass by the famous Burj Al Arab, the only 7-star hotel in the world, and the impressive Dubai Mall, one of the largest shopping centers in the world. Finally, we end our tour with a glimpse of the Dubai Fountain, the world's largest choreographed fountain system, located at the base of the Burj Khalifa. Dubai is a city that never stops impressing, and we hope you've enjoyed this bird's-eye view of this vibrant and dynamic city. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Leave a like and subscribe for more.